In this question, we have to find the integration of a to the power x plus b to the power x to the whole square. And it is having the denominator as ax and bx. So what you will do, for numerator, you will write the formula that is a plus b to the whole square. That can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. And here you will write the same thing as a to the power 2x plus b to the power 2x plus 2ax and bx. And whole thing can be written as ax bx. We will separate this value, so you will write ax bx, and here you will write ax bx. So ax bx and ax bx all will get cancelled. Bx can cancel this value, you will get the value as b to the power x, and ax will cancel this value, you will get the value as a to the power x. So you will get the integration that is a to the power x b to the power x dx. Next integration that you will get b to the power x upon a to the power x dx, plus you will get the last integration that is 2 dx. What is the integration of this one? So you will write this one as, if I'm writing the value of integration of a to the power x dx, that is equal to a to the power x by log of a, and integration of a by b to the power x, you will write as a by b to the power x to the power log divided by log a by b, plus same thing that we can write b by a to the power x, and here you will write log of b by a, plus here you will write the integration as 2x, and you will write c. So this is the answer that you will get.